Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If your command prompt is not working as administrator, so this video is for you. I will show you how you can fix the issue on Windows 11 or 10. We will go step by step in this video from basic step to advanced step. So let's begin without wasting our time. First step, we are going to fix the issue with the help of permissions on our Windows. If you don't have permission on your Windows, so you can't run the CMD as admin. But if you have the admin rights on your Windows, then you can easily run it. But how you can check it? Let's begin. Open this run command as normal mode. You can press Windows and R key and hit this command onto your description box. netplwiz. Just copy and paste this command and hit this command here. So I will show you 4 steps in this video, step by step. And once you open this, look for the logged in user which you have logged in on your system. Now open its properties, go to group member and change its membership from other or standard user. Click on administrator, then click on apply and then click on OK. And once you click on apply on OK, it should be fixed without any changes made to your system. It is the simple and easy fix. But if you don't have the permissions to change this settings to administrator, that means that you have the administrator user, not you have the standard user on your system. That in that case, look for other user which has the admin rights and go to the same option, this option netplwiz, and look for that user and change its standard user from to administrator. Your goal is to change this group permission from standard user to administrator, and see your issue should be fixed instantly. But if that is not working, then next step is advanced step. These 2 steps are advanced. You can change the account control setting on your system. Type here UAC, click change your account control, and then if it is like this on the top, you can drag it to down. This is the recommended setting, and if it is already there, you can drag it to below. But dragging it down is not recommended on Windows, then but you can still check it if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, in that case you can keep it as recommended one and then click on OK. Once click on OK and you have admin rights, you have changed, you have checked this setting, everything is good, then we can move on to the next fix, and that is fix shortcut and file association via registry editor. This is the advanced step. Make sure you watch this step carefully, and before making any changes to registry editor, create the system restore point on your system. Look for create and restore point and then click on create and then click on just today and then click on create. I have just created it and it should be on like this. Protection is on. If it is not, then you can click on configure, turn on the protection, apply OK, and now you can create it. And if you have misconfigured anything with the registry, then you can make the changes to registry editor with the help of restore point. So now let's move on to the registry method. Now open registry editor as administrator, hit yes option when the prompt opens, and now go step by step very carefully. Look for H key classes root, expand that, and now look for exe. Here we find exe, this one, and look for default one, double click on it, and its value should be exe file, this one, exe file. If it is already exe file, then we can move on to the next step now, and that is this path. HKey classes root exe file shell run as admin command prompt. Okay, so we can okay this option and we can move on to the exe file. Press E and look for exe file here, this one. Expand it from side, look for shell, expand it side, look for run as, expand it side, then click on command. And once you see command prompt, look for default value. It has two values here. Look for default value, right click, click on modify, and once you modify, its value should be here. Bracket %1 close bracket space percentage and star. And I will show you in a bigger image here. You can see it has a space under this option. Bracket %1 close bracket space percentage and a star. Copy and value this data. Whatever data you have to copy this and change its value from here to here like this, and then click on OK. Do the same setting with isolated command. Right click, double click, both will work. Then change its value from here to this, then close this, and now you have to restart your Windows and everything should be working fine. If anything changes was done on your system and it was misconfigured, but the setting is same, don't need to change anything on your system, you can leave this step. But now let's move on to the next step. If everything is fine and it is not working due to the file or OS corruption, we can fix the OS and file corruption and your disk image with the help of these two commands. Open the command prompt as admin, hit yes option, and now type the command sfc space / scannow. This command will help you to fix the file corruption, since sfc stands for system file checker. And now this is the repairing Windows image. This is bigger command, so you can just copy and paste. Once it is completed, it will go to 100%. Now hit this command. After completing both the commands, you have to restart your Windows and check back everything should be working fine on your Windows. If these 4 solutions are still not working on your Windows, the issue is on a higher level, then you have to restart the Windows, reset the Windows, or reinstall the fresh window on your system. This is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.